So you know.
Know what? Welcome everyone again today for another video, and I know I haven't really been uploading. That's just because he's been here, and yeah, it's all his fault. But no, really, I just wanted to take some time and, you know, not focus on YouTube solely, and, you know, have time to do other things. So today we're gonna go to the Air Force Museum in Dayton, and we'll just take you along. So we just got here. We got a whole bunch of plates from like different, you know, like there's New Jersey, Illinois, California, Oregon's over there. We're gonna go in there. We got to get through security, and we'll just take you guys through. Just got in, and this is a souvenir store, and man, it's pretty nice in here. I haven't been in here in a while. It's really nice and air conditioned, and look at these planes. They have like some stickers over here. United States Air Force. Let's go.
Wait out for a while.
Look at this. Man, look at this. Look at this. Apparently this is 150 horsepower. Dude, look at that. Oh, I'm not supposed to touch it. That'd be a beast to drive. My gosh. Where? This is 150 horsepower.
That thing looks very. I don't know how to
The mirrors. Mirrors are like airplanes. And over here we have like chocolate ammo, apparently, he just said. Pretty cool camo stuff. Now the thing is I don't really know if I'm supposed to film in here or not. So I'm gonna try to keep it on the the DL, just because I don't really want to get caught. But I really want to make a vlog out of here, so yeah. There's some bigger planes here. Now, you can tell me if I'm wrong, but I think this looks a lot like the plane in Captain America. But
Yeah, look at the size of that.
I know. Yeah, it's like a something. It's pretty dark in here, so. But it's crazy because these planes, only a couple years before they had made the car, and now they're making these things. Like, it's crazy. But hopefully you guys can see all this. I don't know if it's gonna be too dark when I'm editing it. I'll check. Upstairs parts. We're gonna go up there and check that out. Man, this is a space sled. I want to take a ride in this. Oh my gosh. This looks like some Moonraker stuff. Some James Bond. Look at what I know. I only know cars, okay? If it's not a 2J, I don't know. Oh my gosh. Man, this is a long walkway, but I'll show you what's here. I'm not going to just show you just yet. What's over here of like an airship. Now, of course, they cut the roof off, of course. But, so yeah, this is the walkway. I was just showing you guys. Can transition over here. I don't actually know if I'd want to go to space if I had the opportunity to. So it looks like that's it for over here. There's some stuff up there that I'm gonna go check out, so yeah. Now apparently this is a cockpit, and there's apparently 2,000 buttons in here. That's a lot. Pretty cool. Let's go down. Now here's a little cinematic without any music or anything of the 4th building, which I think is pretty cool. Sorry if it's a little bit shaky, I'm just using this normal professional setups here. So basically, Blair's doing this little game in there, and you gotta land the plane, and he got all the way to the runway and crashed. So here we go.
Huh?
You're down and locked. 160. Okay.
Don't fail.
Raise yourself. 40, 50, 40, 235, 50, 230. 50, 220, 20, 50.
Did you crash?
I went into no man's land. 2 in a row.
Well, I'm going like,
We didn't even make it to the
it's
runway.
so hard to control it, dude.
And
Cause it's like,
point of view from Blair's perspective. I'm just kidding. That'd
it's
be
really
lame.
hard to control.
So, I don't know where we're going yet, but we're just gonna go hang around. We might go get some burritos. And Mom, you're not in the shot.
That just sounds different than an actual thing.
Yeah. Space is calmly cool. Okay, never mind. It's nothing cool. It's just some desks. So this is like their meeting room for the president. And look at this. People have walked down this hallway many times.
Why is there a hatch going down there?
I don't know. Okay.
Storage, probably.
Oh, it looks like there's some fun stuff over there, like VR. Might go try that out later. Air Force 1-3. And this one's a little bit newer, as you can tell.
No.
Yeah, this is Kennedy's Air Force One. Now let's go through. Blair, can you stop? Blair, you're gonna get kicked out if you do so. Like, he's already got spoken to already. Man.
Whoa, what's the new
Now,
yard?
this was used in more than the 60s. As you can see, the updated stuff compared to the other two. So yeah. I want to thank you guys all for watching. I'm ending the vlog here. I'm just gonna spend a little bit of time with my family, hanging out, chilling at the museum. Thank you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please check all this stuff out in the description. Follow me on my socials. Check out my Snapchat, all that good stuff. And have a great day.